Clear? I think I'm just telling you how this network works. So these are the features. So with the features, the network get trained, and once the network get trained, automatically it will do a classification. So with different values of input, say for example, I'll give here sepal length and petal length here, and it will be given to all the neurons. All the neurons will be for what is it trained, and it will through that activation function, it will get trained, and then it make a class. Say for example, if I'm giving a color, let's consider here apple and orange. If I'm saying it's a red color, I'm taking two features here, color and the what's it? Let's consider the length, because the length for apple and orange varies here. So I'm giving here color as red, one of the features, and length somewhat some say for example 4 centimeters, something like that. Okay, so these are the two inputs I'm giving here, with which all the neurons will get trained, and automatically with the values of n1 and n2, one of the outputs will be activated here and other outputs will be deactivated, because here I'm giving here two classes, only two classes, because apple and orange are the two classes, and I'm giving here length and color. So I'm giving here red color, and then I'm giving a length of 4 centimeter with this two things. So let us consider A1 belongs to class apple and A2 belongs to the class orange. So which means that this A1 gets activated, which means that you will have some output here as say for example 1, and for A2 you'll get 0. So if you are going to get A1 as 1, it says that the fruit being given here is in red apple. And if I'm giving here orange, and then if I'm giving some length as 2 centimeters, say for example, automatically what happens, you will get some A2 as 1 and A1 as 0, which means that it will say it belongs to the class orange. Okay, so this is how a network get trained, and the number of neurons in the layer and the number of hidden layers, everything can be fixed by the user. It is user dependent, and we can have a customized network. When you increase the number of layers and when you increase the number of neurons, automatically the output will you'll get an optimized output. You'll get more or less an accurate output here. So this is how a network works. Okay, and see here, and this is with multiple layers of neurons and multiple layers. So this is an input layer, and this is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. And if it's a deep neural network, you'll have a number of hidden layers, and then finally you'll have the final output. So if you see here, first the input is given to the layer 1, and the output of layer 1 is given to the layer 2 with some weights, and output of layer 2 is given to the layer 3, and so on. So which means that so each and every time it gets it gets optimized. Okay, so we can say that when I increase the number of layers, the output is going to be better. Okay, so with this small introduction, I will move on to that coding, because this is a hands-on session actually. So we'll move on